What are the highest paying work from home jobs you can do right now, even if you don't have any experience? In this video, we'll explore the top 11 highest paying work from home jobs that you can dive into without any specialized skills. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new career path, these roles offer flexibility and financial rewards. Stay tuned as we unveil these exciting opportunities that could transform your work life from the comfort of your own home. Number 11, remote sales representative. Remote sales representatives play a crucial role in connecting companies with potential clients, often earning a competitive salary through commissions. This position requires strong communication skills and the ability to build relationships, making it accessible for those new to sales. While it ranks at number 11, it offers a solid entry point into the sales industry, allowing individuals to gain valuable experience. Compared to higher ranked roles such as account executives, remote sales representatives typically have less responsibility and lower earning potential, but they still provide a rewarding opportunity for those eager to learn and grow. Number 10, affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketers earn commissions by promoting products or services through unique referral links, making it a flexible and potentially lucrative option. This role allows individuals to work independently, leveraging social media, blogs, or websites to drive traffic and sales. Ranking at number 10, it offers a lower barrier to entry, as no formal experience is required. However, compared to higher ranked positions like digital marketers, affiliate marketers often face more competition and may experience fluctuating income. Still, the opportunity for passive income and the ability to work on diverse campaigns make it an appealing choice for many. Number 9, graphic designer. Graphic designers create visually appealing content for various platforms, from websites to social media, making them essential in today's digital landscape. This role combines creativity with technical skills, allowing individuals to express their artistic vision while meeting client needs. Ranking at number 9, it offers a solid income potential, especially for those who build a strong portfolio. However, compared to higher ranked positions like UX/UI designers, graphic designers may face more limitations in terms of user experience focus. Still, the ability to work on diverse projects and collaborate with clients makes it a rewarding career choice. Number 8, SEO Specialist. SEO specialists optimize websites to improve their visibility on search engines, driving organic traffic and enhancing online presence. This role requires a blend of analytical skills and creativity, as professionals must understand algorithms and user behavior. Ranking at number 8, it offers a competitive salary and significant demand in the digital marketing landscape. However, compared to higher ranked roles like content strategists, SEO specialists may focus more on technical aspects rather than content creation. Still, their expertise in boosting search rankings makes them invaluable to businesses looking to thrive online. Number 7, transcriptionist. Transcriptionists convert audio recordings into written text, making their work essential for various industries, including legal, medical, and media. This role requires excellent listening skills, attention to detail, and fast typing abilities, allowing individuals to work flexibly from home. Ranking at number 7, it offers a steady income and the potential for specialization in niche fields, which can lead to higher pay. However, compared to higher ranked positions like virtual assistants, transcriptionists may have less variety in their daily tasks. Still, the demand for accurate transcription ensures a consistent flow of work for dedicated professionals. Number 6, customer service representative. Customer service representatives assist clients by addressing inquiries, resolving issues, and providing product information, making them the front line of customer interaction. This role requires strong communication skills, patience, and problem-solving abilities. allowing individuals to thrive in a dynamic environment. Ranking at number 6, it offers a reliable income and opportunities for advancement into supervisory roles. However, compared to higher ranked positions like account managers, customer service representatives often deal with a higher volume of routine inquiries, which can be repetitive. Still, their critical role in enhancing customer satisfaction makes them indispensable to any business. Number 5, data entry clerk. Data entry clerks are responsible for inputting, updating, and maintaining data in various systems, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in information management. This role requires strong attention to detail, fast typing skills, and proficiency in software applications, making it accessible for those with minimal experience. Ranking at number 5, it offers a stable income and the potential for remote work. However, compared to higher ranked positions like project coordinators, data entry clerks may find their tasks more repetitive and less dynamic. Still, their foundational role in data management is crucial for organizational success. Number 4, social media manager. Social media managers create and implement strategies to enhance a brand's online presence across various platforms, engaging audiences and driving traffic. This role requires creativity, strong communication skills, and an understanding of analytics to measure campaign success. Ranking at number 4, it offers a competitive salary and the opportunity to work in a fast-paced, ever-evolving environment. Compared to higher-ranked positions like digital marketing managers, social media managers often focus more on content creation and community engagement rather than broader marketing strategies. Still, their impact on brand visibility and customer interaction makes them vital in today's digital landscape. Number 3, online tutor. Online tutors provide personalized instruction to students in various subjects, leveraging technology to create engaging learning experiences. This role requires strong subject knowledge, communication skills, and the ability to adapt teaching methods to individual learning styles. Ranking at number 3, it offers a rewarding income potential and the flexibility to set your own schedule. Compared to higher-ranked positions like educational consultants, online tutors often focus more on direct student interaction rather than broader educational strategies. Still, their significant impact on student success and the growing demand for remote education make this role highly sought after. Number 2, freelance writer. Freelance writers create compelling content for various platforms, including blogs, websites, and marketing materials, allowing for creative expression and flexibility. This role requires strong writing skills, adaptability, and the ability to meet deadlines, making it ideal for those who thrive in independent work environments. Ranking at number 2, it offers significant earning potential, especially for niche specialists. Compared to the top-ranked position, freelance writers often have more creative freedom but may face income variability. Still, their essential role in shaping brand narratives and engaging audiences makes them highly valued in the digital landscape. Number 1, virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide essential administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs, managing tasks such as scheduling, email correspondence, and social media management. This role requires strong organizational skills, multitasking abilities, and proficiency in various software tools, making it highly versatile. Ranking at number 1, it offers a robust income potential and the flexibility to work with multiple clients as simultaneously. Compared to freelance writers, virtual assistants often engage in a broader range of tasks, enhancing their marketability. Their pivotal role in streamlining operations and improving productivity makes them indispensable in today's remote work environment. So in this video, we explored the top 11 highest paying work from home jobs that require no experience, ranking from remote sales representatives at number 11 to virtual assistants at number 1. Each role offers unique opportunities and the potential for a rewarding career without the need for specialized skills. We encourage you to dive deeper into these positions and consider which might align with your interests and goals. Remember, the world of remote work is vast and full of possibilities. Take the first step today and unlock your potential.